Last up is Alfaparf Milano. This was a brand founded in Italy and it's a professional salon brand trusted by hairstylists worldwide. I absolutely love the fact that we've launched this brand due to the fact its heritage is from Italy and I'm half Italian, so it gives me a little piece of my heritage as well.
Yeah, and it's really nice, this brand, because it's known for its innovation and it uses technologies like Urban Defense Pro, so it's really good for protecting your hair against like pollution, which is what we obviously all need at this moment.
What's great is each range is specifically designed to cater for your hair concern. Rather than it being a one-size-fits-all approach, it's very much about healthy hair first, not just cosmetic results.
Yeah, so the Semi di Lino range is the best one for delivering really shine, hydration, and also colour protection, which sometimes you don't get with like one product. So this one's a really, really nice range in there.
It's perfect if you want those salon driven results at home.
So first of all, in the Semi di Lino range, we'll look at the Sublime Cristalli Liquid. It's a lightweight hair serum and it's designed for all hair types. It's really luxurious feel and it's really giving you that radiant finish and that silky formula. But it is vegan friendly, which is great, and it doesn't weigh down your hair.
Ooh.
It feels nice.
Yeah, and it smells lovely. It's like a perfume for your hair almost.
Fantastic.
But with all those added benefits.
That's really good because a lot of oils can be like really heavy on the hair, can't they? Especially if you've got fine, light hair, so that's good to know.
And I feel like this would last me ages, just needing such a little amount. So.
Yeah. Perfect. So also in the Semi di Lino range, the Diamond Shampoo and Conditioner that our lovely Zalia is modelling. So this again is for shine enhancing. Good for normal hair, gently cleanses, detangles the hair. Really, really good for luminosity and it leaves it lovely, silky and smooth and soft. I've not personally tried this one, but the results in terms of what customers say to us have been outstanding, to be fair.
Yeah, they're lovely and I really like the packaging. It just gives that added extra bit of luxury in your home bathroom. They also have a lot of products with microbiome balancing technology, which is great for your scalp health.